Enabling or disabling system haptics on your iPhone 16 allows you to customize your device's tactile feedback, enhancing or simplifying your interaction with the phone's interface. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll down to the System Sounds and Haptics section. Finally, tap the toggle switch next to System Haptics to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, this feature provides tactile feedback for system controls and interactions. It enhances your overall user experience by adding a physical dimension to your interactions with the device. If you don't want your iPhone to work in this manner, simply toggle the System Haptics switch off to disable it. Disabling it can simplify your experience and potentially save a small amount of battery life. Just choose the setting that feels most comfortable and intuitive for your use of the device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.